Welcome to Singapore, the Lion City. This vibrant island nation seamlessly blends rich culture, modern architecture, and lush greenery into an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. Got just 24 hours? No problem. I've got the perfect itinerary for you. We'll uncover iconic attractions, savor delectable local cuisine, and explore unique neighborhoods. Ready? Let's dive in. Our first stop is the stunning Marina Bay Sands, a true icon of modern architecture. This architectural marvel isn't just a luxury hotel, it's a centerpiece of the Singapore skyline, drawing visitors from all over the world. If you're not a guest, the Sky Park observation deck is still accessible for around 20 Singapore dollars, offering panoramic views of the city that are simply breathtaking. Take a moment here to appreciate the 360-degree views, which are especially stunning at sunrise or sunset. You can spot landmarks like the Singapore Flyer and the futuristic domes of Gardens by the Bay, all from this vantage point. Early morning light adds a golden touch to your photos and video captures, making them truly memorable. Just a short walk away is Merlion Park, home to Singapore's half-lion, half-fish icon. This is a prime spot to feel the city's energy as joggers pass by and tourists gather to snap pictures of this famous statue. Pro tip: visiting early not only beats the heat, but gives you a chance to capture the Merlion and Marina Bay Sands without the midday crowds, ensuring a more pleasant experience. Next up, let's explore the world-famous Gardens by the Bay, a must-visit destination in Singapore. This futuristic garden space spans 250 acres and offers a blend of nature and innovation, making it a unique attraction. The Supertree Grove is a sight to behold, with towering tree structures that light up at night for an enchanting show, creating a magical atmosphere. For just a small fee, you can walk the OCBC Skyway, a suspended path offering unique views of the super trees and Marina Bay, perfect for photography enthusiasts. To escape the tropical heat, step into the Cloud Forest Dome. This climate-controlled wonderland features a 35-meter-tall waterfall, the largest indoor waterfall in the world, and lush, rare plant life, creating a serene environment. As you climb up the spiral pathway, you'll discover different levels filled with exotic plants, each more stunning than the last, offering a visual feast. Make sure to look out for the educational exhibits on sustainability and biodiversity, which provide valuable insights. Lunchtime calls for an authentic Singaporean experience at a bustling hawker center. These vibrant food hubs are a paradise for food lovers, offering a wide array of dishes packed with flavor at incredibly affordable prices. Start with the classic Hainanese chicken rice, tender chicken served over fragrant rice, with a side of spicy chili sauce and aromatic ginger. If you're craving something rich and spicy, go for the laksa, a delicious noodle soup brimming with creamy coconut milk, succulent shrimp, and a medley of fresh herbs. Everything here is fresh and full of flavor. And the best part? Most meals cost under 10 Singapore dollars, making it a budget-friendly option. Keep some cash handy, as many stalls don't accept cards. Don't skip dessert. Try ice kacang, a colorful mountain of shaved ice topped with sweet syrup, jelly, and red beans. It's the perfect way to cool down and end your meal on a sweet note. With your energy replenished, it's time to explore Chinatown, a historic district filled with rich cultural heritage. Stroll through the vibrant streets, visit local markets, and discover the beautiful Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. Entry to the temple is free, and it's worth exploring inside to see the stunning artifacts and exhibits about Buddhist traditions. After Chinatown, take the MRT to Little India, a lively neighborhood bursting with color and life. From its intricately painted buildings to the scent of spices in the air, it's an experience that awakens all your senses. Be sure to check out the Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore, and wander through Tekka Market to find unique textiles, jewelry, and snacks. As evening falls, head to Clarke Quay. This riverside spot comes alive at night with its glowing lights, bustling restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Even if clubbing isn't your scene, there's plenty to enjoy, from alfresco dining to street performances. One of the best ways to end your day is with a Singapore river cruise. The boat ride takes about 40 minutes and offers a peaceful, scenic tour of the city's landmarks as they light up at night. You'll pass by iconic spots like Marina Bay Sands, the Fullerton Hotel, and the lotus-shaped Art Science Museum. It's a beautiful way to unwind and reflect on your day in Singapore. And that's a wrap for our 24-hour whirlwind tour of Singapore. From sky-high views to cultural walks and delicious eats, this city is packed with unforgettable experiences. Thanks for joining me. If you loved this guide, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more travel adventures. Have a favorite spot in Singapore? Drop it in the comments below. Check out our travel safety tips video. It offers valuable tips and tricks to help you stay safe while traveling, whether you're exploring your own country or venturing abroad. Enjoy your trip! But wait, got more time? There's even more to discover. Let's dive into some of the hidden gems of Singapore that are often missed by the usual tourist trail. First up, Haw Par Villa. This quirky theme park is filled with over 1,000 statues and dioramas depicting scenes from Chinese mythology, folklore, and history. It's a surreal experience you won't find anywhere else. Next, venture into the southern ridges. This 10-kilometer trail offers an incredible blend of natural beauty and architectural marvels, like the Henderson Waves Bridge. It's the perfect escape for nature lovers and those seeking tranquility. For a unique cultural experience, visit the Katong and Joo Chiat neighborhoods. These areas are rich in Peranakan heritage, showcasing colorful shophouses, traditional eateries, and local boutiques. Don't forget to try the famous Katong Laksa. Lastly, unwind at the McRitchie Reservoir Park. Rent a kayak, take a leisurely stroll around the reservoir, or challenge yourself with the treetop walk. It's an excellent spot to relax and enjoy Singapore's lush greenery. So there you have it, hidden gems that add an extra layer of magic to your Singapore adventure. See you in the next video, and happy exploring!